Employment readiness can be a major barrier to success and personal growth. Research has demonstrated that well-designed career readiness programs can be an effective launching pad for better life outcomes, including reduced recidivism, long-term recovery maintenance, and overall well-being. The Career Exploration curriculum from the Change Companies helps participants explore how their strengths, skills, and interests align with a career path. Participants learn how to be successful in applying for, getting, and keeping a job through practice, application, and hands-on learning. Career Exploration includes 3 modules. Module 1, Exploring My Career Path, emphasizes the strengths, skills, and interests participants already possess that can help them overcome employment barriers and move forward on their career path. Module 2, Planning for Success, helps participants identify careers that align with their interests, begin building a professional network, and learn valuable skills for seeking and applying for jobs. Module 3, Making a Good Impression, allows participants to gain confidence as they practice successful interview skills and develop good work habits to thrive in the workplace. The Career Exploration curriculum is a great fit for workforce development and job readiness programs, life skills programs, re-entry or prison industries programs, or as a component of individualized treatment planning in behavioral health settings. To learn more, visit our website at changecompanies.net or speak to a regional director by calling 888-889-8866.